Hello teacher and all my friends. I present a good today to present the structure and function of mammalian cell with a total of 7 species.
Number 1. Membrane material mention the balance of substance within cell by considering the case of substance between cell and the external environment. 2. Nucleic acid contains cell function is cytosis of DNA and RNA. Content of protein cytosis within the cell constitutes enteric from phagocyton. 3. Endoplasmic reticulum length phase 2. Stimulus are bring back short pellet layer which is liquid container without contaction the surrounding literature nature and connect with texture made of the channel membrane underneath his plasma lentiboard. Mixed column underneath is plasma retinol. Mixed column are two types.
Number 4. Cytosol biodegradable particle and small molecules less with head cell or plasticine destroys the cell or cell. Again, the degradation of the cell in the cell is single.
Control as rich in the movements of chromosome during cell division does over the movements of sentient cellular types.
6. Apparatus calculate to fill the carbohydrate, protein or lipids is sent from the ER, glycoprotein, protruding foods, and glycolipids. Number 7. Mitochondria serves as a source of cellular energy. A group of us would like to finish your presentation just as grateful.